Introducing the TerrainView camera system from EchoMaster, a universal, underbody, 4-camera kit with a built-in DVR. TerrainView allows you to add 4 HD cameras to any vehicle and record all 4 video feeds simultaneously. This universal kit includes 4 trail-ready IP67 rated AHD cameras and all the wiring you need to connect them to any head unit with a reverse camera input. You'll get an extreme, unobstructed visibility of what is under and around your rig by adding the 4 cameras under your Jeep, truck, or side-by-side for off-roading. Or you can mount 2 cameras on the sides of your truck and keep an eye on your blind spot. Try adding a camera to the bed for cargo view, or even mount one inside your toy hauler to keep an eye on what's going on in there. The multiple screen configurations give you the flexibility to see 1, 2, 3, or all 4 cameras at once. The easy-to-use wired push-button remote control toggles through the 15 available camera views. Or by using the included wireless remote, you can easily select split-screen options and directly access specific cameras. The control module in this system has 4 dedicated 12-volt positive triggers, one for each camera, so you can wire them to toggle switches in your vehicle for instant access to any specific view you're looking for. For a more advanced, integrated experience, you can connect these triggers to the turn signal lights so they activate automatically, showing your blind spot when you use the turn signals. The built-in DVR automatically records all 4 channels of video, so your adventures are captured for viewing later. This system features universal RCA video outputs, so it's compatible with any head unit or standalone monitor, featuring 1 or more video inputs. And it even includes the switching hardware to connect in line with your original reverse camera in equipped vehicles. TerrainView from EchoMaster. Add it to your vehicle today and really see what's out there.